Well, hey, you guys, it's me coming from Bass Lake, yours truly. And this is a way to chill out, be calm, enjoy the nature. And here, I'm showing you the Bass Lake. People are out here with their boats. There's a bunch of boats out here. This is towards, well, actually in Yosemite. So, actually, we're just enjoying the nature and the sun rays and the relaxation. We're here with another couple, my good buddies. And so just check out the beautiful, wonderful, refreshing and restoring lake. And if we get close, you can hear come closer, you can hear the sound of the waves. Can you hear the waves? Oh, isn't that just music to the ears? So I just wanted to read you something before I sign out. Something that I go by every day in my meditations and prayers. And it goes like this. We enjoy magical, fun, enchanting stories, divine wisdom, treasures of knowledge, cosmic consciousness, and secrets of healing. Let's all have a wonderful, positive day today. And signing out.